So, welcome to the periodic table, fusion periodic table, and we've reached 6, I think, root and lift. So we'll do root first. When you sung progressively, the feeling is from the waist down, you're quite heavy, and from the waist up, you're light. So you're rooted like a mountain, you're light like water flowing. So to experience root, there's a very simple exercise. So you start with I'll do sideways, it'll be easier. You start with your feet shoulder width, and you take a step forward. That's all you do. Now you feel 50-50 between the 2 feet. So you take the weight forward into the front foot more, 60-40 or 70-30. And then suddenly you've got an experience of rooting in the floor. You're still nice and light from the upper body, but you've got that feeling of rooting. And without moving the body too much, you can empty that front leg and fill the back leg, so you root in the back leg. You'll move a little bit, and then again out of the front leg and out of the back leg into the front leg. And if you're doing this as a practice, make sure you do both sides. Start 50-50. Feel not a lot. You're floating. There's not a lot going on. But as soon as you take that weight forward into the Tai Chi stance, 60-40, then you're engaged. That's the simplest explanation of root that I can give you. Now lift, so root is Chen, lift is Ding. Lift, so a lot of people say a certain phrase here, and I don't want to use it because, as Robert Chuckrow says in his book, you don't want to use artificial visualization. So the visualization I'm going to use is that you're extending upwards, especially from the neck to the bar waypoint. You're extending upwards. If I give you the visualization, you'll know it instantly, and that would be a pity in some ways, but I might be forced to. So the classic, and many teachers use this, is to say, imagine your head is lifted by a thread. But I think Robert Chuckrow's right. You don't want to have artificial visualizations. So what you've got to do is to extend upwards. Open the shoulders, open the neck, open the spine, and lift, ding. So I forgot the feet, so I root and I lift at the same time. And that, you will see in the periodic table, is used extensively. So that's the next one, root and ding.